Yo, what's up? This is WinDev. So today we're gonna be doing drone website. All right, let's get ready with the setup. Let's go ahead and do something like. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do this command. Okay. I'm gonna say orange on wings. Alright, we're just gonna let it run for a couple minutes. Alright, now that it's done, let's go ahead and do cd horizon wings. Cd into that, and then let's do code dot. So this will bring up a new window, but if you don't have that, do command shift P or control shift P, and then search up for install code, and uninstall it first and then install it again, and that should work. Close this up. Let's open this up and let's look at our source. Okay, we have all these crap, and let's do npm start. Yes. Okay. We're getting running. It ran, so we're good. All right. So let's minimize that a little bit. Let's bring a window right here. Now let's go ahead and delete some of the stuff, and I've already shown this from my previous video. Okay, we're gonna delete logo and then app.test. All right, that's it, and we're gonna come over here, get rid of this, save it, and go down here, remove this. We don't have logo yet. Delete the whole header. Okay, and we're gonna go to app.css. Gonna get rid of everything. All right, now we got our stuff. Now let's go ahead and download a couple of stuff. Install, npm react icons. We need that, and then tailwind react, and let's copy this line, paste it here, let it run for a couple seconds, and then copy this. Let's go to our CSS. I'm going to use this. Okay, there. My bad. Right here. That for the index, and the other one I'm going to use the config. Okay, that's it. And then let's close this up. We're good to go. And let's go down here and let's restart our server. Okay, there we go. Close this terminal, and then to test it we can do p hello, like, right? And to see if that works, let's do class name bg red 500. Okay, looks like we're good to go. And then what else? All right, sorry, my bad, y'all. Now there's gonna be a little bit more setups. We're gonna go down to tailwind config. Let's go to tailwind config theme colors. Okay, we're gonna need these colors because we're gonna repeat a bit of this. All right, let's close this up. We're good to go. And now let's go ahead and do our setup. All right, we want to go here, create a new folder. We're gonna call it components. What's happening? Components. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of stuff in here. We're gonna have about JSX. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up wider. And then we're gonna have a banner. Okay. And then we're gonna have connect. And then what else? And we're gonna have drone project. Six. Okay, we have those. And what else? We're gonna have drones card, like buy card. Okay. And then what else? Then we want to have drones buy, right? Okay, it's gonna be a little bit confusing. Okay, the naming. And then we're gonna have footer. Okay. And then we're gonna have sidebar. Okay. And then what else? We're gonna have nav. We're gonna have nav. We're gonna have map. Okay, and what else? Then we're gonna have subscribe section, and then we're gonna have video card .jsx. Okay, now we got all of these. We're good. Okay, let's go down here and do a couple of stuff. First off, we're gonna need some. We're gonna create a provider. Okay, we need provider. First, I'll come back to this. Just follow this. We need to create a context. Okay, and we're good to go. Let's go down here. We're gonna call this const side showed sidebar showed sidebar where we use state. Initially it will be false. We're not gonna show the sidebar. And then we're gonna want const. We're gonna call this values. Okay. We're gonna set show sidebar, and then down here we're gonna wrap the app provider dot provider like that. I'm gonna bring this down here, and then value, I'm gonna have values. Okay, we're good. And then we just want to add all our stuff, sidebar, all our components. And as you can see, just do all of this. I'll show you in a second. Banner, about, connect, and then Jones to buy. Alright, Jones buy, and then Jones project, and then subscribe, and then map, and then lastly footer. Okay, we got all our stuff like that. Okay, now let's see our website. Okay, see, this is how the website is gonna lay out. Do our nav, and this is where the magic's gonna start. Okay, I totally forgot about something, which is images. Okay, we need images in order to start everything. So y'all don't worry about all the code and all these items, because I will have it on GitHub. Okay, in GitHub you can grab everything, so we're good, no biggies. Okay, now let's start. First off, okay, start with our navbar. Our navbar, first off, is gonna have a div. Okay, there's gonna be two divs like that, and then inside that div, inside this div, there's going to be another div. This div is going to be for yeah, let me show you. It's going to be for our logo. Okay, do import logo from, this is how we get stuff. Go to images, and let's do logo, nav logo especially. Okay, now go see what we got. Okay, we gotta add our thing, logo, bang, we got nav logo. Alright, the reason why you won't see anything yet is because wait, we got sidebar, right? Yep, just leave it there for a little now, and let's go here on top, class bg black. Do this there, we should see that. Okay, and then go here h1, I'm gonna call this horizon wings. Okay, horizon wings, we're gonna style everything up later. Right now we're setting it up. And then here we're gonna have a ul, and then li. Wait, I saw this in TikTok. There we go. Home. Features. Pricing. Mission. Okay. We can get rid of this last one. There we go. We got everything. Not everything yet. And then down below, we're gonna have another div. And this div is gonna have BS card. Okay. This is where the React icons coming from. So we're gonna import BS card from React icons BS. Okay, we got that. And the next one is we're gonna have, let's see, totally forgot about something, I guess. Yep. Okay, down here we're gonna create a button .jsx. Okay, this button is gonna take in a lot of, let's see, I'm gonna have a button like this because we're gonna have repeating buttons, so we just want to reuse the component. And we're gonna have props, call it BG color, right? And then inside this, okay, let me do this, it's gonna be confusing. Okay, so we got button. Let's go to the button. Let's quickly do the button. Okay, we're gonna go down here. Remember the props that I was trying to make. I'm just gonna have BG color, name, and then text color. Okay, and then we're actually gonna make this a button, and in here we're gonna have the name. Okay, that's the props, and we're gonna go with class name. Okay, we have name, BG color, and then text, color, and then we're gonna do rounded XL PX3 PY2. There, we're good to go. We close this up, and the button now is reusable. Okay, that's how nice it is. Okay, now let me show you the effect. Let's do this. I'm gonna do BG color. We're gonna have BG white. Okay, now let's go with text color, text black, and then we're gonna go with the name. The name is order now. See how easy that is? Now we can create, let's just say we want 5 different buttons. Okay, I don't want to go in depth into it, just say 3 for now. Now look at this, look at the cool magic. We can do it too, whatever. See, it changes one. That's what we like, right? Text blue, bang. That's why we have reusable components. Okay, so use it. All right, now we're good. What else do we need? We're gonna need a GI hamburger menu. We need a menu. Import GI from React icons and then GI. Okay, now we got everything. Let's close this up a little bit and let's go ahead and style it up. All right, here we go, y'all. Ready for this? Oh no. All right, ready for this? We got down here now. Go with class name. We're gonna first of all do max width 7XL. That means it can't go above that. And then auto, right? Here's the reason why we do that. See? Okay. That's done. We're gonna do text white. And then we're gonna do flex. I'm gonna do items center. Okay, and then what else? I'll justify between them. Here we go. Let me show you the effect. You see? Beautiful. Now we gotta do a couple more stuff. We gotta go here. Gonna do class name, flex column, and then items center. Okay, we're doing the logo. I'm just gonna name this logo then to make it easier. Now let's go ahead and actually style this up. Okay, class name width 40 and then height 10, object covered. All right, look at that. After that, we're gonna go H1 class name. We're gonna do text 2XL. Now font bold, tracking wider, and the font rowdies. Okay. Of course, we're not gonna have that. Alright, we're supposed to get this from Google, so I'll get you guys a link to copy. Just copy it. It's not a big deal. Okay. Go here. Let's go to our public. Huh. Do we not have it? What is happening? Alright. Just paste this anywhere. Here. Okay. Alright. Now that we got that, let's go to our nav. There we go. It took an effect. Okay. All right. Now we're good. Let's go to class name here on UL. we want this to be hidden in the small screen, MD, and then we want it to flex it. Okay, and then okay, we're flexing it. Okay, it's not gonna show. And then here we want to do items center space x5 text XL. Let me see. There we go. All right. Now we're gonna go down here in this and we do smaller one. We're gonna hide it. MD. It's basically gonna be the same. I could probably make this a component, but I don't want to. You can if you want. Okay. Look at that. Bam, it's already beautiful, right? This right there. Okay. We're good to go. BS card. Last name, we want to do text to XL. Make it a little bit bigger. And then right here, last name, cursor, pointer, MD, hitting on the bigger screen. It's hitting text 3XL. Okay, let's show you. There, it's gone. Good. Now what? Now this is where the big magic happens. Okay, this is gonna be beautiful. We're gonna do something great. Now this is where we're gonna use the use context that we created. So we're gonna have const, we'll call it scrolled, and set scrolled use state false. Okay. And we want to import this, and then const set show sidebar. This is where the use context is gonna happen. We're just gonna put it here for now and bring in that app context provider. Okay, let me see what's happening. There we go. Bring that in. All right. Got that set up, and let's do use effect. I'm gonna do this. Inside this use effect, we're gonna do window.add event listener. We're gonna listen for the scroll. Call back. And then we're gonna do if window.scroll y is greater than 50. What do we want to do? We want to set scroll to true, and then else set scroll to false. Okay, now this is where the big magic happens. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Wait, let me show you what happens. Okay, let me change things up. Let's do backdrop blur to Excel, and then we're gonna do Z 1000, and we're gonna have it fixed. Width is gonna be full, and then PY is 4, and then top 0, we'll do transition, all, duration 300, ease linear, bang. Okay, it's not gonna work yet, but did I have my BG? Yep, BG 60. Okay, I'm gonna only make this on scroll. I'm gonna ask if this is scroll. If so, yes. And then we're gonna copy this part. Command C. Okay, and we're just gonna have it as fixed, but no backdrop, and we're gonna have a BG transparent. Okay, scrolled. All right, there we go. Our BG is transparent. Okay, you'll see the effect soon because we're gonna make a banner. Let's go and leave all of this like that for now. Okay, now let's check the banner, close this down. Let's get started. What do we need? All right, let's go ahead and start with our banner. So we got that div. This div, we're gonna call it class name banner. We're gonna make it a min height screen, and we're gonna do flex MPY 20. Okay. Get this. You see the effect now? Yes. Okay. Now let's go to our nav real quickly and see why our let's see. I'm gonna have a PX. We never had a PX here, huh? PX5. Okay. That's it. It's gonna be like that. Beautiful. Alright, now let's go to our sidebar real quick. Get rid of this. Okay. Let's just comment it out for now. Okay, it's messing with the flow. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do our banner. Okay, our banner. Let's get rid of this banner, and we're gonna have another div in here, and then another div. We're gonna do class name with full. But before we start that, let's go ahead and do something. Okay, H1, we want to do bringing flight to everyone. Okay, got that. And then one P tag with horizon wings. There is possibility of getting it done. Okay, that's our message. Alright, we got that part. Another one down here. I'm gonna have another div. This is gonna be for the button. Just bring in the component. No, we want the button component. Well. We want this button. There we go. We're gonna have two buttons. This one's gonna have a name of order now, and then BG from BG blue, and then text color. I'm gonna do text white. Alright, let's see what we got. This, and another button, maybe the same thing. Okay, but this right here is gonna be see more. And BG is black and text white, and I have some border gray. Okay, those are our buttons. Now inside this div, we're good. Down here we're gonna have an image. Are we gonna have an image? This div right here. Okay, we actually gonna have another div down here. Okay, it's a lot of divs. Okay, we got those. And then down here we're gonna have an image, and we want this to be image 1. We're gonna import this image 1 from images pure. Okay, so we got there. And now, okay, let's go ahead and put our CSS into this one. For this, just copy this line. Okay, just copy these. Okay. This is basically this color right here. Okay, look at that, beautiful, right? Now that we got that, let's style this up. Let's style this bad boy up, and remember to have these. Okay, close it, and the button is gone. Now let's go back to our banner. Now that we got that, alrighty, let's go to this class name, do max width 7XL, max auto, MD flex, PX 8, PT 20, MD PT 0, PY 10, and then text white, items center. Wow, look at that. Alright, then what else do we want? Let's go down to our H1. Before we do our H1, mix with okay, let's go here. Let's go H1 first, okay? Class name text 5XL, uppercase, and font row is, there we go. Then let's go to our P tag, UI6, text 3XL, font extra light, and LG width 96. Okay, that's what we got right there. Let's go to a button now, class flex space X4. Wow, beautiful, right? And now let's see what we got. Okay, we got those, right? MD flex, only MD we do flex, and then okay. Okay. All right. Apparently we need another div. This div will wrap this, and then let's do that. Let's do class name with full LG with 550 pixels. Okay, and now let's go to the image, and we're gonna put a class name. We're gonna say shrink zero, the width 400 pixels, LG height 420 pixels, and then XL width 710 pixels. Let's see what we got. Possibility off. Typo right there. Okay, we got everything done. There we go. Perfect, perfect. We're gonna work on the sidebar the last. Okay, and that's fully responsive. We're done with that. Close it up.